Hey, so I want to shoot this quick video to show you the old way of running Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales. And this is the way every single person does. Doesn't matter if you're on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, WooCommerce, anywhere, it doesn't matter. If you're selling anything online, typically what people do is they wait until like November 29th is Black Friday. So here's what they'll do is they will fire up, I'll just grab a little shape here, right here. They'll fire up an ad, and that ad will point to their product, and then hopefully they get the sale. Now, this is typical. This is what everybody does. We see this all the time. This is what you're taught. Like Black Friday, Cyber Monday rolls around, fire up some ads, run a sale, send me your products, and then hopefully they convert. The problem is right here on the ad side for Cyber Monday, when you are actually running ads, um, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, I'm just going to go like this. Costs are insane. Reason being, everybody in the world is running ads on Black Friday, Cyber Monday because they want to make sales. So that means your ad costs go up because everybody, including gigantic corporations that have deep pockets, are competing with you. So let's say you're running ads on Facebook. All your Facebook ads are going to be more expensive because the inventory is fixed. And when there's more competition for that inventory, the ad costs go up. Now you go over to Google and you're like, well, fine, I'll go to Google. Well, same thing. Or you go to YouTube and you run some YouTube ads. Well, same thing again. Ad costs are going to be crazy. So instead of this, add to product to sale, like right around, maybe a couple days before, you run it for a week, November 29th, and then 7 days later, all of the sales that you get, the results are actually not as good because your ad costs went up because you're doing what everybody else in the world does. That's not good. Instead, what you want to do is this. So you have your product that you want to sell. It's right here. I'm gonna move it over here. So here's your product. And you still want to sell this, right? Of course we want to sell our products, but consider this. If you start like now, and instead of doing, waiting until Black Friday, you build up an asset now called an email list. And on that email list, you can then 100% do this. So your email list can promote your products. But the thing is, before that, if you really want to get, ahead of the game, let's do a duplicate of this. Let's run an opt-in. Let's back this up. So our opt-in page is going to go to our email list. And then on that email list, we can now sell them products. But watch this, we'll back it up even further. And we'll say this. So consider this method now. If you started start today, and then just a little shift here of use ads to build your email list. Now you're becoming a pro. you're doing things that most people don't do. So if you start today and you use ads to build your email list, then you can sell your products from your email list. So all of your ad costs, instead of going to get a sale, are going to get an email address. Oh, and by the way, once somebody opts in, you do have something called a thank you page, which is right here. Where you can offer a product or offer a community. So this is what we're talking about, and this is going to go the other way. I get the arrow going from here to here. So you run an ad, they opt in, they see a thank you page. Now they're on your email list. On that thank you page, you can offer a product, or you can offer a community. And a community is a place where people congregate that you own, and now you can post things to that community. So think of a community like a, Facebook group, which is free for people to join. But if you've ever tried to sell your products inside other people's Facebook groups, you notice that you get a lot of flack because people are like, nah, I don't want to do that. Or they won't let you post any links because they're like, these are my members and I'm the only one who's going to be able to make money off them. But what if you own the group? And what if the group is big enough that when you post stuff in there, people actually go and buy it? Wouldn't that be cool? So now you got a two-prong result from your ad. Instead of just going ad to sale, you're going ad to email list with also offering something right away and offering a community. So let's go look at some communities right now on Facebook. And let's just pick one. Let's say you're in the, for me, I'm in the pickleball niche, right? So here's one, Pickleball Forum. So I've got a store and I'm selling pickleball stuff. And this particular group has 146,000 members. It's called the Forum by Asper Kern. I don't even know who that is. But anyway, if I want to go in here and post my products, I kind of can't because I don't own the group. And I guarantee you the rules of this group say no spam or promotions. Now I could contact the group owner and I could say, hey, would it be okay if I posted this? Or can I pay you to post in here or whatever it may be? And in fact, that's not a bad idea. But wouldn't it be even better if I could build up my own group of 146,000 people in the pickleball world? And then if I want to sell my products, my pickleball products, to this pickleball group, all I have to do is post it. I could even schedule posts inside groups. Now, I'm not in on this one, but in your own group, you can schedule posts. So going back here, wouldn't that be awesome? If I have an ad going to an opt-in page where I get their email address, and then later on I'm going to do the sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, but I'm also offering them something right away, a community for free. My ad could even say, hey, want to join the pickleball community? Come here right now. Now you're thinking, okay, but where do I find these people to join this? Well, ads, either on here, or even better, go here. Go to YouTube and type in your niche. So in my case, pickleball. Now, look at this, how to play pickleball. Look at that, 201,000 views. Can you imagine if when somebody clicks this ad and watches the video, clicks it and watches the video, that an ad comes up that says, hey, you're into pickleball? Cool. Are you in the pickleball community? Whatever you want to call it. Pickleball forum, pickleball group. We have a free one on Facebook. Join it now. We're, give them some benefits. And boom, they go from here. But they don't go right to the group. They go to that opt-in page where they have to enter their email, and then you send them to the group from there. Now you've got their email, so for the future, you can send them products or whatever you want. And also, you can run actual promotions like Black Friday sales, including countdown timers and all that good stuff inside your email. So the whole thing is, ads don't have to be like just Facebook ads. You could be putting your ads in here. You could also be putting them on the search result page. You could put them in a lot of different places. But if I can get my ad in front of videos of people in my niche that are very popular, that's a pretty good market to target, isn't it? And if I'm offering them something free of value, like a community, or maybe I could go to here and I could say, well, what are, let's look at some YouTube videos on this pickleball. And let's see, what is pickleball? Learn about it. Okay, fine. How to play it. Okay, fine. Men's Pro. Yep. Pickleball rules. There you go. 4.6 million views. So I could do a little cheat sheet on pickleball rules, and that could be my giveaway from my ad on YouTube that points to my opt-in page. So it could say, my ad could be, hey, want a little cheat sheet of the pickleball rules? We update this all the time. Here you go, print it, bring it to the court, and you're good to go, right? That would be a nice giveaway for my pickleball list, for my opt-in page. A reason for people to give me their email address. Once I have them, now I can invite them to my community, and I can run my Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale from my store. So just think of all these things that you can do right now when we still have a ton of time left until Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So how long? Until 79 days. You set this up now. You run this for the next, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, all the way up, in fact, to the next 79 days you run this. You're going to build up that email list. You're going to build up a community. You're going to be able to sell whatever the heck you want to your community and your email list, and you're going to be very happy. This is exactly what I'm doing right in here. Oh, I type wrong. No, I forgot to see. ppc-coach.com/register. If you want to profit from Black Friday, Cyber Monday in 2024, and again, it doesn't matter where you sell, it's a proven system. So I'm going to show you the wrong way, the right way, and what to do next. Click there to register. Boom, you're done. I'll show you a lot more than just this. So I hope this helps. Gives you a couple of ideas of what you can do for Black Friday, Cyber Monday in order to get the most out of it. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.